In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this kind of photo manipulation in PS Touch. Alright guys, let's get started. So click right here, we want to import our image. Click on photo library and I'll start off with this cloud image and I'll click on add. So once done, let us go ahead and import the second image, which will be the boat. Click right here, click on photo layer, photo library, and click on this image, then click add. So let me make it a bit bigger. Okay, think like this is fine. All right, okay, you can click on done. So I want to erase some of the bottom part. So let's click on our eraser tool. First click on toolbar, scroll to the top, you will see paint tool. The right here is the eraser tool. So click on brush, reduce the hardness to 0%, increase the size, reduce the flow a bit and the opacity. So now we can just feather this a bit so we feel as if it's actually there. And yeah, that's it. Next, let's go to adjustment. Let's do some adjustment to it. So click on adjustment and click on curves. So first I want it to be darker, so let's drag this part down like so. And then I want to add some blues to it, so click on blue and we increase the blue like so. Once you are done, you click right here. And now I would like to give it some of this orange color at the background. So to do that, we click right here, and we duplicate the layer. So once done, you click on done, then you click right on adjustment, click on brightness, take it all the way to -100, so we have complete black. So you click on done and you click right here, you click on this icon and change the blend mode to linear dodge. So once done, you can click on effects, go to basic and then choose bevel. Alright, so let's change the color. So click on color, use your eyedropper tool, color. This is the eyedropper tool. So click on color and select this orange, and now come over to this angle and direct it so it could face this side. Click on distance, you can play with the distance a bit. As you can see, you can also play with the blur, but I don't want this to be too much blur, so I want to reduce the distance a bit. Okay, so once you are done, you can click OK. Now I'm going to increase the brush to 100%. Done. I'm going to erase it from this side, from the bottom, and also from here and here. Now let's add glow to it. To add the glow, click right here, click on this layer, click right here again, and then select pixels. Then from there you click right here, click here, add an empty layer. Done. After that, you click right here and choose gradient. So click on this option. As you can see, click right here. Sorry, make sure it is a radial gradient and it's not in the position which we want it, so we click right here and reverse it until we have it like this. Then you click on the color, take it to 100% and change it to any color from this background, while the other end make it a bit lighter color. Done. You can put it right here. Can increase the size. Click OK, and let's try and change the blend mode to overlay. As you can see, it looks really cool. So we'll do the same thing for this side. So come over here, click here, add an empty layer. Done. Click here, click on gradient. Will be on this side, but we'll change the colors. So we click right here, click on this color, pick it from the background, click on this color, pick it from the background. So click on done, change the blend mode to overlay as well. So this is the before, after. Now let us add highlight to this part too, just like we did to this part. So to do that, click here, and then duplicate the layer. Okay, so take it on top, click right here on adjustment, change the brightness to black. Click on done. Let us deselect it. Click here and deselect. So now let's change the blend mode to linear dodge, just like we did previously. Linear dodge. So we click on effects, click on bevel. So let's change the angle. This time we are coming to this direction, and also we change the color. So this one, I'm going to make the distance really high. I'm also going to blur it a lot. Okay, so click on done, and we can play with the opacity, of course. All right, so I'm going to erase it from this part of the boat. That's it. So now what you want to do is to come over here, click on copy meshed, click right here again, and then paste. So we have a meshed layer of everything. So from here you can decide to go do your thing, play with some tools, add a global effect. So let's just undo this one, add a global effect to everything, give it a bit of drama. Okay, do whatever you want. Done. You can even add a rain to it. So you click here, click on photo layer, photo library, and you can find this image in the description as well. Click on add. So let's just make it bigger. I think I'm going to flip it like so. Click on done and change the blend mode to screen. Alright, it's a bit too much, so let's click on adjustment and levels. Take this right side to the right until you got something of your taste, and you click on done. So this is it. You don't have to stop here. You can also go ahead, do some 1 or 2 changes, add more colors to it, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.